over me. I know it's hard to do, but it's better to be true. Don't lie into you. Don't know you don't deserve me, but if I'm there, I'll see better over me. Oh baby boo, it's hard to understand when you hold my hand. I can't pretend that I really care, cause I ain't down. When you need me, I'm with someone else now. I try to hold you like I love you. I know to be the man that you want to. Better stand back, break up, don't make up. Please don't leave me alone. I can't get over you. I don't wanna miss you, girl. Please stay forever and ever. Listen girl, and I don't wanna hurt you. I just wanna tell this is really true. And I know that you love me, baby, baby. To be so lonely over me, I know it's hard to do, but it's better to be true. Don't lie into you. Don't know you don't deserve me, cause there's someone there I'll see. Yeah. Girl, since I found out you're getting over, it's up to me to let you go. And it's over, baby, you don't deserve me. And you deserve someone else that's gonna love you better not the one than you there. And baby girl, I will never forget that. That's what I'm supposed to you, and supposed to do. To say I will never let you go. Whatever happens, you're always gonna be mine. And baby girl, sorry for the time that I can't stay with you, make love with you. Now you getting over, girl, and I need to accept the fact that you don't deserve me. All I can say, baby, I'm sorry. I'm just a man who made mistakes. And girl, I don't regret all the things what I did to you. What I did to you, come on. You're getting over me. It's hard to do, but it's better to be true. Don't lie into you. Deserve it. Lalo na sa pagkataon na to, nasa di naman ako ay mahalin mo. Ako ay umaasa na sana ako'y pakinggan ang pagdadangin ko at ika'y islan ako. Sana naman ay mahalin mo, kaya na pinapakita pagmamahal sa'yo. Sana di naman ako mapalapit sa'yo, kahit ganun pa man tayo'y malayo sa isa't isa. Ikaw ang ninanais ko, sana pakinggan ang aking tulang ginawa habang pinagmamasdan ko ang iyong larawan at ninanais ko. Sana dito sa tabi ko bumalik ka na sinta ko. Oh, it's hard to do. Come on. Don't know you don't deserve me. I see you getting over me. You're getting over me. It's hard to do, but it's better to be true. Don't know you don't deserve me, cause there's someone there who'll see getting over me. Come on. Yeah. Let me introduce, man. Come gentlemen, hit this my baby. Yeah. Rip this guy's man, I said. Come on.
Come on. I love you, Maggie!
Yeah, come on. This baby, come on. may bibisita. Lalako lang ay bulaklak at iniram na bisikleta. Araw-araw ang gustong makausap. Tumigil na ang ulos ko para ba pulisa. Sana naman makuliyak ang dating show. Paano isang kapag ako sinagot, lato pa lang isyo. Handa ka na ba? Gawin namin dito, come on. Buhay ko ay nag-iba, di ka maalis sa isipan. Sana naman ako'y pabigyan, gusto lang ang makilala ka. Buhay ko ay nag-iba, di ka maalis sa isipan. Isang araw hindi ko akalain na isang babae sa harap ako buhay. Love at first sight, baby girl, pwede bang malaman iyong website na maanak kita sa aking Friendster. Pwede din naman makina Yahoo Messenger. Please baby girl naman ako kasi tama na hindi ko ma-chika at makinadarama. Siguro nga ako'y may tama na sa'yo, kaya bakit naman may kubido? Ang puso ko sa puso ko ginako, sila nang makilala tago ay ko'y nagbago. Lahat babaguhin ko, mahalin mo lang ako, girl.
Bakit mo lang ako?
Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Habang kinagmamastan ko ang mga larawan mo, nakalingin sa salamin at humihilin sa Diyos na may kapangasana. Ako'y pagbigyan mo na, hawakan ko ang kamay mo, ipakita kung ano ba talaga ang tunay na pagmamahal na hinahanap ko. Na kahit nagkulang si Kino, tanggapin mo ako. Ito ang freestyle, hindi ko sinula, dahil talagang nangyayari na ito. Girl, love you, go back. That's how you do it. Oh, give me that. Come on. Lucky Bob. Come on. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next set, you know.